Welcome to Home Decor. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of indoor gardening. Imagine plucking fresh lemons, juicy strawberries, or vibrant green chilies all from the comfort of your balcony or kitchen window. Yes, it's possible to grow many of your favorite plants at home in pots. In this video, we'll explore 5 amazing edible plants that you can grow indoors. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Number 1, lemon. Let's begin with one of the most versatile fruits, the lemon. Growing a lemon tree indoors might sound ambitious, but it's surprisingly doable with a dwarf variety. What you need: a deep pot 12 to 14 inches with good drainage, loose, slightly acidic soil, a sunny spot like a balcony or a south-facing window. Light requirements: lemons need 8 to 12 hours of sunlight daily, so placing them near a bright window is essential. In low light homes, consider a grow light. Watering tips: water your lemon plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Do not let it sit in water. Soggy roots can kill the plant. Number 2, cucumber. Next up, the refreshing and crunchy cucumber. What you need: a deep container, at least 12 inches, rich, well drained potting mix. Support like a small trellis or stack from the vines. Light requirements: cucumber love heat and light. Give them at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. A warm balcony or sunlight window is perfect. Watering tips: keep the soil moist but not soggy. Water regularly, especially once flowering starts. And don't forget, look for bush cucumber or patio varieties like Space Master. They are compact and grow well in pots within 50 to 60 days. You can start harvesting fresh cucumbers right from your home. Number 3, strawberries. Who doesn't love fresh sweet strawberries? You will be surprised how easy it is to grow them indoors. What you need: a white shell or hanging basket, well drained, slightly acidic soil, a balcony, windowsill, or even hanging near a sunny wall. Light requirement: strawberries need 6 to 10 hours of bright sunlight indoors. Make sure they are near a light source or use a grow light. Watering tips: keep the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. Strawberries are shallow rooted and dry out quickly. Extra tip: choose everbearing or denatra varieties like Albion or Seascape. These produce fruit several times a year. In just a few weeks, you'll have homegrown berries for your smoothies, desserts, or just a healthy snacks. Number 4, green chili. Now let's spice things up with some green chili. What you need: a medium pot, 8 to 10 inches deep, nutrient-rich potting mix, a warm spot. Chili loves heat. Light requirement: chilies need at least 6 hours of full sun daily. Your balcony or window ledge is perfect. Watering tips: water then the topsoil feels dry. Don't overwater. Use a spray bottle to mix the leaves occasionally to keep humidity balanced. Extra drip: sow the seeds or use small saplings from a nursery. Once the plant is about 8 inches tall, pinch off the top to encourage bushier growth. Within 60 to 80 days, you will have a steady supply of fresh chilies right from your kitchen garden. Number 5, tomato. Last but definitely not least, the juicy, vibrant tomato, a staple in almost every meal, and now it can be a staple in your home garden too. What you need: a large container, at least 12 to 15 inches deep, tomato potting mix or compost-rich soil, a tomato cage or sport stick. Light requirements: tomatoes thrive in 8 hours of sunlight. Keep them in a warm, sunny area. They don't like the cold. Watering tips: water consistently and deeply, especially once the plant begins flowering. Uneven watering can cause cracked fruits. Indoor gardening not only gives you fresh produce but also adds beauty and peace to your home. With a little care, patience, and the right placement, your home can turn into a mini edible jungle. To recap, lemon grow in deep pots with full sun, cucumber needs support and warmth, strawberry shallow pots and sweet rewards, green chili compact and spicy delight, tomato a juicy favorite in any kitchen. So, which plant will you start with? Tell us in the comments below. Happy planting!